How to fix Snapchat lag on Samsung A08. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and volume down button at that time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. Scroll down and search Snapchat app from here. Click on Snapchat and click on storage. Click on clear cache. After clear cache Snapchat, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so last solution is reinstall Snapchat app. So just click and hold on Snapchat app and click on uninstall. After uninstall, click on Play Store app and click on Snapchat and click on install. After reinstall, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.